Everybody, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of dillenium marketing. And today I'm giving you, if you want to create your own logo, you are into business or you don't have time to go for the professional logo design and you want to create your own logo design, then this tutorial is for you, because by using the techniques you can create your own signature logo design. I'm not going into the complex way. I'm just giving you the simple and easy techniques that you can easily follow to create your own logo design in a vector format that will be in high resolution, that you can easily use for the printing purpose as well. So this is the guide there for you. So if you are learning Illustrator, if you are new to this, if you have started your business and don't have time for the logo design and you want to create your own, then you can just do it in an hour. So this is very simple and easy way that you just need to follow these steps. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, actually I'm using Adobe Illustrator here to design this high resolution logo design. And actually this is the software that is most recommended for the logo design, for the vector logo design. So you have to download it. If you don't have, don't worry about it. You can download the free version from here. You just need to go over here and you need to write download Illustrator, and here you can find the file. And here you can find the trial version, so you can go over here and you can easily download this file. So this is very simple and easy way you can go through the process to download the trial version of this software. I've already installed it, so you just need to install it and may run the setup and the software will be open like this, but with the trial version. I'm not using the trial version at the moment, so I have the licensed version. So let's start now. I am giving you, when you will open your Illustrator, you have to go over here to create a new file. Go into the file, create new, and here it will ask you to share the details for the new document. Here you can write the name, logo design, and the custom profile will remain custom. You can, if you want, you can change it, print, web devices, but I want to keep it on custom. Okay, and next, number of artboard, I want to use one now, and size, that will be according to your requirement. Right now I'm using 1280 pixels, or might be you can use more than that. It depends upon you. It also provided you details in the inches as well. So you can, for example, if you want to create your logo in bigger size, then you can, for example, I want to use 24 into 24 inches, and here you can change. So you can see it's being converted, so I'm just using it here, 24. So it's now in inches. So you can imagine how big is this, the 24 into 24 inches, if your logo design. So you can easily use on the billboards or whatever signboards or wherever you want. You can use this sort of logo design. And orientation, whatever the orientation that you want, you can keep it from here. Right now I'm going for the landscape, and if you want, I'm skipping the bleed at the moment. And color mode that you will have to use, that is CMYK, because it is the most recommended printing color mode that we always use. There is two options over there, RGB and CMYK. CMYK is recommended for the printing, and RGB is recommended for the screen resolution that you can easily use for the digital purposes, like on website or the other. Okay, so here raster effects, this is the basically the actual resolution of your logo design. So the document resolution is 300 ppi, that is most recommended. If you will go for the 150 and 72 is recommended for the screen, but we are using the 300 ppi because we want to make it print friendly. Okay, so make it 300 ppi and preview mode default, and now you can press OK to create a new document. So your document will be looking like this after doing these things. Now what you have to do, you just need to make your mind that how do you want to go to your logo design. I'm just giving you example to create the signature style logo design, that is very simple and easy way to do. First of all, what you have to do, this is the type tool. Here I'm using this tool and just clicking over here on the artboard. So you can see, you can write here, for example, your name is Olivia Jackson, or you can use your own name. I am just pressing shift and increasing the size of this text. You can also increase the size from here as well. You can write the value. For example, I'm writing 298 and press shift, then you can see that the size has been increased. Or you can decrease it just by pressing shift, and you can, by using your mouse, you can just scale it down. Okay, so this is very simple and easy way to create your signature style logo. Now what we have to do, we just need to change the font. So for the font, I have already installed a few fonts in my system, but if you are new and you want to create some fonts, you can go over here and open the font.com, go over here, and here you can find the variety of fonts that you want. For example, I want to use curly one, so here you can see how you have so many options here to download the font. For example, I want to use some font here, so what I'm going to do, I'm simply taking some fonts. For example, I'm using Jumbo, and you can see that the font has been downloaded. Now show in folder, and here is the font. Double click on it, and here is the OTF file that we needed. You can click on it, install, and the font is installing. Now the font has installed, so okay, I can remove it from here, and I will go back to my uh, Illustrator, and here the font that we have downloaded, that is DK Jumbo. So you can see that the DK Jumbo is there, so I can place the font like this. So this is the simple and easy technique to download the font that you want to place in your logo design, and you can easily place it as per your requirement. Okay, so this is a very simple and easy way to do. If you want any other font to use, then you can also, that is also in the library. So you can see that there are many fonts here. For example, this one, or might be I want to use infinite. So you can click on it, and this is this font that we can use. Otherwise, you have the option. I have already used this font, ST. This is very easy and most recommended for the signature style logo design. So I want to use this one here. You can just come over here. Here you can change the color of your font if you want. So it will be looking like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm simply create outlines, so you can see how it would be looking like. And now what we are going to do, you can, here is the swatch panel. You can come over here and you can apply different shades to this design. For example, I want to use this one. I can use it. If you want to create some gradients, you can also apply the gradients mode as well. For the its best idea is to create some background around it, so it will be quite easy for you to look around all the changes. So I want to use simple gray background here like this, and now arrange send to back, so you can see how the design is looking like. And if you want to change the blending mode of this design, then you can also do this. Just click Ctrl F9, and you can, here you can simply check this one, and now you can change the uh, blending mode of this color. If you want to keep it little white, then you can change the white side here, so you can see how the design is looking. So this is very simple and easy technique to create. Here are some built-in fonts as blending mods as well. So going to the swatch, here you can find the gradients, and here you can find some metals, and here are the predefined. For example, I want golden texture in my logo design, so you can see how it would be looking like. So by using this technique, you can create your own logo design with some concept, with some, for example, I want to keep it black around so you can see how the design is looking like. So very easy technique to create your signature logo design just by using these concepts. Now what I'm going to do, I'm simply adding the tagline here below below the name. For example, you are a school teacher, you are going to start your business, for example, photography. So I'm simply taking this one, changing the font from here, that is simply Calibri font, and now I'm going to make it little white, and here you can change the light, and now here you can place it, change the character spacing. From here I want to make it around 400 so it can adjust the name properly. Now you can reduce the size here. So this is very simple and easy technique to create these sort of logo design. Press Ctrl 2 to lock this layer, background layer, and here is the simple design that you easily create just by using the simple method of creating text, or it's a simple logo design but looks professional. So here I want to remove this I from here because it's a mistake. So here you can simply take it, ungroup it. So if anything goes wrong at this stage, then you can also fix it. So I'm just ungrouping it, and by using mouse I have just displaced it to the left direction. Okay, so this is very simple and easy way to do. Here you can do one more changes. For example, I have created a simple square here like this, and now what I'm going to do, I'm taking it to upside, and here you can go into the object path, offset path, and here you can define, for example, I'm writing 20 pixels here. You can preview it so you can see there are two parallel rectangles. So press OK, and now what you can do, you can select both layers together, and now go into the window here, Pathfinder, and you can just minus the background from here, so it will be looking like this. You can now you can frame your name inside this rectangular box, so it will be looking like this here. Control Z. Before that, what you have to do, click on it, drag it upside. Here you can select both layers together, and now press Control G to group it. Now you can easily work around it, and simply like this, align it to the middle and group it together like here, and now you can simply align it horizontal align center, and here you can use vertical align center, so your logo design will be ready like this. Now we have to remove all these from here, so you can only check out your logo design. So this is your logo design, very simple and very easy way to do, to create signature based logo design that you can easily create just by using the few tweaks. Now what you have to do, for example, you want to keep your name like in a circular box, then you have to go in here. You can choose the ellipse from here, and here you can drag a simple ellipse or circle like this, and now you have to repeat the same step that we have done for this rectangle box. Go into the object path, offset path. Here you can define like 20 pixels that we have done before, and you can create it. And now we have to go into the Pathfinder again, window Pathfinder. Here you can use this one, the minus font option, so you will have the option like this. And here what we have to do, you can come over here, choose this rectangle tool again, and now simply create a rectangle like this, and now select both layers together, and here we have to create this minus font. Now you can just unclick on it, ungroup it, and here you can select it and press delete to delete this layer. Okay, so this is very simple and easy way to take a copy of this by pressing Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and you can place your logo here. The best idea is to select all layers together, horizontal align, so your logo will be looking like this. If you want, you can just ungroup it, delete it, keep it little up. So your logo design is ready. Very simple and very easy way to create these type of logo design. If you want, you can add any icon over here as well that you can easily, for example, like I have created this circle, simple oval like this here. This is just for the information. If you want to use it as it is, then you can also create your own logo in the same way, just by using your name and your business designation or whatever you want. If you want to add any tagline here, then you can also do that, but it's all depend upon your requirement. For the extra feature, if you want any icon in your logo design, that I'm giving you this information. So for this, you have to create simple oval just by using this ellipse tool, and here in the pen tool you can come over here and convert anchor point tool. Take this one, click on it to convert into sharp edges like this, cancel it, and simply you have to rotate it a bit, and then you can take it like this. Here you can go into the object again, path, offset path, and here I'm giving it around 10 pixels. Preview it, so you can see there are two parallel leaves over there. Now we have to click on it and simply minus the front. Here you can click on it, choose this eyedropper tool, and now you can take the same color, so you can see how the design is looking like now. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl F again to take a copy of this, and now you can place it with some angling, or how do you want to keep it. So you can also create some more addition to your design, but it all depend upon your requirement. If you want to use it, then you can do that. If you don't want to use it, then it's all depends upon you. How do you want to take it? For example, I want to reduce it down a bit like this, and here I want to see Control C, Control F, and here transform, reflect. Okay, and now you can take it to this, to the right side, and here your design is ready. Now what you can do, you can just click on it and go into the pathfinder, and here you can simply use this unite option to create in a one layer. So it's a one layer now, and reduce it down because it's just an icon, and you can easily place this icon in your logo design like this. So this is very simple and easy way to create your logo design, and with some icon as well, like here. And now you can align it to the middle. In the same way, if you want, you can also place the same icon in this logo design, but it's all depend upon your requirement. I have just given you the simple way. If you have any question in this regard, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want me to create some tutorial related to this, then I will definitely prepare it. If you have any question, then you can simply let me know and I will reply back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button. Thank you so much. Have a very good day. Bye bye.